How to use proxy. Luna proxy. This website updates their proxy. They update their website. This interface is not how the website looked like before. They will show you how this look here. This is the new one. So when you log into your proxy, if you go to your dashboard, let me go to my dashboard. This is my dashboard. I'm on my dashboard right now. So I have to click residential proxy. Residential proxy is the IP we use to scrape data. If you are seeing this, it's a bit confused because they changed this face. This additional road here was not here before. So they just change rules. So, but that is fine. Just switch to whitelist. That is the most important thing. And you see direct generation and link extraction. So what we are using is link extraction from my extractor. I just switched instead of a direct generation. You click to link extractor extraction. Then here, do not use more than 30p IP in 2 days. This 30p is good, will last for me in 2 days. Most time is just 24 hours. So when you wake up in the morning, before you generate new IP, you make sure you validate the old one you have. So this is the host. So now we add amount of IP we are going to use in this rule. I will like to switch to sticky or rotation. You can use any of them. Cool. Just click generate API link. Before you do generate API link, make sure that you open your notepad. This one is the ones I used previous. I'm going to clean this notepad because I want to request the new one I'm going to generate notepad. So next thing I have to do is click generate IP. And this is the IP here. All I have to do now is open IP instead of copy the link. And all this is the IP we are going to use to generate to a script data. Every data script and know what IP means. So what we need here is to transfer it to our notepad. And this is it. Click save. Make sure you save it and name it. And now we go to our email extractor. First, click proxy here. Now we click proxy, clear the old ones, and right click again to import. You can see my proxy here today. This is the IP. Select it and open. And go ahead and click start to verify the IP addresses so that we are going to delete dead email addresses. We are going to delete dead IP addresses. And now I can click stop and you can see fade ones. We are not making use of these fade ones. Remove fade ones. Click remove fade ones and now click save. After you save, close it. Here we are good to go. You can clear this and now don't forget to enable proxy here and you are good to go to you can load as many keyword. The more keyword the better. I will just say my name Solomon. Find me people that answer Solomon. We are in private. Of course, private work perfect every time instead of business. Business you're going to be struggling not to get large email addresses. But private have them. You can also control this to even get business email addresses. So you need to learn more about this and I will be doing video about this. So instead of using this you're going to struggle not getting large email addresses. But I'm going to switch to persona, click start. So you can see my IP is loading here. And now please wait, it's searching. So just give it a moment. And here we go. Here we go. Oh, this is email rotating from IP, not from where Google. Right now, we're not scraping from Google. We are using proxy to scrape direct from the sites because you can load as much as you can. Or you leave if you leave it blank, then you go and start scraping all websites on internet. But if you want specific directory, you choose Facebook, LinkedIn, or wherever you choose. And with prompts, you don't have limit at all. Your limit is based on keyword you load here and the domain you load here, or the domain you switch or websites you load here. You can see all websites are loaded. load as much as you can. If you like to load new website, click here. Once there's email on the website, you're going to collect it. When there's no email, you're not going to see anything, and don't think that email extractor is not going to find you. Email addresses, just know that there's no email on the directory, or your keyword is not, there's no keyword that match any email domain on your directory. So see you in next video, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm not going to edit this video, I'm just going to post this video like this because it's not a video that I can edit. You can see the speed of the proxy without any interrupting. So see you.